My name is Dominic and this is Learning with Dominic. In today's video, we will be discussing lab safety. One of the most engaging parts of any science course is the labs that you participate in. In order to make sure that we are able to learn in a safe environment without putting others at risk, it's important to review a few lab safety requirements. First of all, it's important to consider what types of clothes you wear. Beginning with shoes, each student should wear closed-toed shoes. This is to prevent anything toxic accidentally pouring onto your feet and burning them, or also walking on glass with your bare feet. Also, this is just a preference, but on lab days, I wouldn't wear clothes that you care for too much, as some chemicals in class can stain clothing and permanently damage them. Moving on, it's important to keep the classroom setting safe at all times. To ensure this, make sure that bags are kept away from the aisles during labs and rather tucked under desks so that people don't trip on them. And of course, no horseplay during class. Another way you can protect yourself will be by wearing goggles to protect your eyes. In case you do feel something got in your eyes, go to the eye wash station in your classroom and hold your eyes under running water for at least 15 minutes. It is also common that if a lab involves specimens or chemicals, gloves will be required because chemicals can irritate the skin otherwise. When you finish a lab, make sure to take off the glove and that the outside surface of the glove doesn't touch your hand. Once the lab is over though, make sure to wash your hands. Finally, aprons can be helpful in protecting your clothes, and if you do have long hair, make sure to tie it so that chemicals don't get on it. If you do break a glass in the classroom, don't just pick it up. Rather, tell your teacher and make sure to use a broom and dustpan if you are tasked with cleaning it up. If you see glassware that is chipped already, don't use it and tell your instructor. When properly disposing of chemicals and items of the labs, some things must be disposed of as hazardous waste rather than poured down the sink. To make sure you recognize this distinction, ask your teacher first where disposed items should go. In some experiments, you may have to heat up items such as test tubes. In these cases, make sure to use tongs or heat protective gloves when picking up the test tubes. Well, those were just a few lab safety requirements that should help you in your AP Science classes. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be making more educational videos soon.